Okay, now that I've properly settled into the room, I got to explore and look around. I don't know if this is worth the money. I'm gonna be honest with you. If we go through the room, right? One, no mini bar. And I know mini bars are really overpriced usually, but it's nice to have that option, but nothing. Just an empty fridge that was warm. So, you know. Two, water pressure, fucking abysmal, man. Like, I'm talking like shit. Like, that was fucking laughable. Like, I had better water pressure in the fucking army, man. Like, in the middle of the woods, I had better water pressure. Like, I don't know what the fuck that was. The view is pretty cool. It's gorgeous. There's just a giant fucking hole in the floor here. You can't really see it. But there's a ventilation shaft here. And the fins are broken on it, so you can just drop shit down here. Like, I'll show you real quick. What the fuck is that? See, that's not okay. I don't know what the fuck that is, especially for a room this fucking expensive. Like, that's just not cash money. There's just random shit in there, like garbage. Not much else to say. There's not much in the room. The closet is like one of those like open concept thing, like the shit on the wall. So, and there's a bunk bed. It's kind of weird. Fuck it, we ball type shit. Also have this like super fucking stupid thing where you can like shop the DC style. So let me read you the prices real quick. Downtown camper camo bathrobe, 299 crowns, krona. So that means that's 29 euros and 99 cents. 30 euros for a fucking bathrobe from a hotel. A wool bed throw, this one. Price starts at 799 krona, so 80 euros. And the most expensive is 100 euros, so 1,000 krona. What the hell? Or, if you want to, you can get the wool cushion cover, which I guess is those, for 100 krona. Or 1,000 kroner, so 100 euros. Or you can get body lotion for 17 euros and 50 cents, or 175 kroner. Kind of fucking stupid. No one wants that shit, man. There's a coffee station, which is cool, I guess, but it's just instant coffee. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think I've ever had instant coffee at a hotel, because why the fuck would I? I would just go to the fucking hotel cafe downstairs, or better yet, have my fucking breakfast with my coffee. So what the fuck, you know? The fuck is the point of that? The fuck. Only thing left to test now is the bed overnight. And then in the morning we get breakfast. GN streaks. The next time you see me, I will be waking up in the morning and testing out the breakfast. Bye. Hello, chat. Good morning. I've actually not just woken up. This is a fake scenario for the video. So yes, I did get out of bed, put the mic together, plugged in my camera, and then lay back into bed to make it look like I just woke up. Last night was interesting because my room apparently shares a door behind me, right there, with another room. And the other room, I think, has an elderly couple because they were just fucking blasting the TV all fucking night. All I could hear all night was some fucking Swedish dramas going on, and that was it. So I woke up at 5, which is cool, you know. Well, 5 a.m. Swedish time, so 6 a.m. Finnish time, which I'm still on technically. But you know, fuck it, we bald type shit. But now, chat, it is breakfast time. It is time for us to go get food. Because, yes, I like food. Yippee! It was really good. The selection was pretty good. Eggs were really runny. It was like supposed to be scrambled eggs, I think it was. They were really runny, but they tasted fucking delicious. So I approve. And then the bacon, it wasn't like proper bacon. It was like Canadian bacon, they call it in the States. That was pretty good as well. Not super salty, which was really nice. Usually hotels fuck that up and it makes it like super salty. You take a bite and it tastes like the fucking Red Sea, Dead Sea, whatever, one of those. And then I had the scone, and that was pretty fucking good. And it tasted fresh, which was cool. The orange juice just tasted like goop, like honestly, like goop. Generic orange juice, nothing special there. And then they had their own like smoothie thing. That's what was in the shot glass. It kind of just tasted like fresh. Like it tasted like fresh. So I don't know if they repackaged it or if they actually made their own, but it was good. It was good. It was refreshing. So, and then the coffee was okay. It's filtered coffee, so I like. Oh. Anyways, it's filtered coffee, so I don't know how much better you get. There was the like cappuccino machine. I didn't try it because 9 times out of 10 they're like burnt to fuck, and I would just rather not. So, you know, there's hair in my microphone. Pew. But there was little things about the hotel that kind of like irked me, especially for something of this price. Like, let's see how much it costs. So this was the spacious with bathtub 1 king bed. Pretty big room, pretty expensive stuff. I'll put the price here because I can't find it on my phone. Price. Yeah. For this price, I don't know, man. It's pretty lacking. I think more so you're paying for the location. It's one of those like generic, like not generic. It's just it's a stereotypical Scandinavian / Nordic hotel. It's just what it is. In Helsinki, we also have something similar, and it looks almost exactly the same. It's the same like Nordic inspired design or Scandinavian inspired design. So I would classify this as a tourist hotel. There were business travelers here. There's some like convention in town, so that probably inflated the price of the place. But for the price that this was, I'm gonna say it's not worth the money. There's no and typically like, yeah, the in-room mini bars, yeah, they're super inflated in price and stuff like that. But it's nice to have. Like last night I texted Peachy that like, I'm fucking snacky and there's no snacks to be had. I would have paid €9 for a bag of chips last night. That's how snacky I was. But instead I would have to go all the way downstairs to the lobby in my fucking jammies, which I'm not gonna fucking do because I was snug as a bug in a rug. So fuck that. So no, it's just really weird. And instead of this, there's the safe that everyone knows if you put your shit in there, like it like magically disappears. They're like bullshit safes. No like pen and paper. The coffee bar is okay. It's just nothing really interesting. For the price that the room is, it's just like The TV lets you like connect your stuff to it and stuff like that. But like I feel like every hotel room has that now. There's nothing really standing it out. It like has like the leather accents and like this is cool. I like the corner, except for the fact that there's a gigantic death hole next to me. That was kind of fucking crazy to see. Like you could just drop your shit down there and it's just gone. So you know, it's kind of fucked. Chalk this up is not worth the price. There's probably much better options that are out here. I wouldn't even classify this as a boutique hotel. The vibe is cool. Don't get me wrong. The like lobby and the design of the place is really, really cool. And there's like events and stuff like that you can go to. But like, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I get the point. Like, I get why people do it. Like, they have like a yoga event and a cycling event. But most of it is geared towards tourists. But they have like bike tours and guided yoga meditation and take a moment to unwind. And like most of the people that are coming to this hotel, right, they're gonna be tourists. So either A, they're here with their mates and they're getting fucking blasted and they're not gonna do this stuff. B, they're here for like, people are here for travel, like for like I am, I'm here for in the city. Or C, they're here on vacation. And if they're on vacation, they're probably already doing these things on their own. They probably pre-booked it. Unless they're American or British, then probably they're just on the streets killing people. Yeah, I get that it's good that the option is there, but they're like the list was so long of stuff to do. I feel like that's just like a fucked up thing to complain about, that like there's too much to do, you know? I don't know. And also the design of the bathroom, I don't understand it. I'm gonna show it here on screen. Why is it designed in a way that you can't reach the faucet without stepping into the shower? Like I know you're not gonna shower anyway. I like to turn my shower on. I like to let it heat up,
and then I'll get in the shower. I'll brush my teeth while the shower heats up and stuff like that. Call me old. Status. I like that. I don't like being soaking wet while turning on the shower and then waiting for it to warm up and standing there cold as shit like a fucking naked rat. Like, you know, I just don't think it's a vibe. And the closet space, I don't get the closet thing. It's like, why have everything out in the open? Why just have a giant fucking rack? Like underneath this thing, the nook, they could have put like drawers and shit like that. Any storage, man. There's nothing, even the bed. So it's like, am I supposed to just like roll my luggage in, lay it on the floor like I did now? Well, yes, I guess so, because I laid my luggage on the floor and I'm living out of my suitcase instead of putting my things in a drawer. It's either that or I just hang up everything, coat racks that are hanging on the wall, which I don't understand. Like, why would you want that? That's like the most visually cluttering thing on earth. I don't know, man. It's not the fucking cool thing to do. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think you're more so paying for location than the views. So, thank you. Let's end this with some scoring. Breakfast, I'm gonna go with a 9 out of 10. They were constantly running out of food, which, like, I get it. It's a big thing, and like it even says like most people come here. Most people go get their food at 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. So come outside those hours to get a normal food experience. But like, it's not the guest's job to try and make sure that there's food in the fucking buffet. Like, I hate when like hotels and companies like handball that shit to the end user, the consumer. Like, it's not my fucking job to make sure I get there and there's food. It's your job to make sure that there's food in the fucking buffet, you know? Like, I'm not gonna reduce costs for you. Yeah, so I would say 9 out of 10, because like I barely got any food. Otherwise it would have been perfect. The eggs and everything taste like they were cooked there, which was quite nice. Room, I'm gonna give a 7 out of 10. It's designed well, it's nice and everything. But like, I hate the fact that they like listed the fact that you could buy the shampoos for 28 euros. No one is doing that, dude. No one uses the shampoo here and goes like, oh, I want to buy this for my own house. No, it's gonna explode in their fucking luggage and then they're not gonna be happy anyway. So like, what the fuck is the point of that? The blanket was a cool addition. Like, I get that. Like, probably a lot of like tourists from like North America, South America, Asia, they'll look at it like, oh my goodness, it is a Nordic design. I'm going to bring this back to my home. So, you know, I get that. The bunk bed, super unnecessary. I think this is supposed to be a family room. But even then, if I were to bring my kids here, I share my bed with my wife, and I look over to my left and I see my 2 kids staring at me while I'm trying to sleep. I'm gonna freak the fuck out. Like, I at least have like a room divider or something. Like, I don't know, man. And the fact that this room, for its price, has a connector to the neighbors. Why? It makes no sense to me at all. And the sound cancellation for that door is shit. I could hear them fucking fart. I could hear them finger themselves, man. Like, if they did it. That's how fucking thin the door was. Like, anything, any talking, anything. I heard it all night. For that reason, I'm gonna say the room is like a 7 out of 10. It's just not. It's not worth it. And the bathroom as well. It's just the water pressure was abysmal. And like the design of the bathroom is just so shit. For location, I'll say a 10 out of 10. It's central Stockholm. Well, it's pretty central. Like, the meh from my Discord and we walked around the city yesterday, so we got to see, like, he's from Stockholm though, so, you know, but he showed me around the city, and it was like maybe not even like a 10-minute walk to the presidential palace, I think it's called. Like, we were there in like no time at all. So 10 out of 10 for location. But for overall value for money, still, I'm not gonna say it's worth it. Subscribe, stay tuned for more travel reviews and shit like that. Okay, bye.